Understanding soft murmur in English. Hello everyone, and welcome to today's English learning session. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of the phrase, soft murmur. This phrase is not just a literal combination of two words, but carries a unique connotation in English. So, let's dive in and discover its nuances together. Soft murmur consists of two words, soft and murmur. The word, soft, is an adjective that describes something as gentle, low in volume, or not harsh. On the other hand, murmur is a noun that refers to a low, continuous sound that's often hard to distinguish or understand. It's important to note that murmur can also be a verb, meaning to say something in a low or indistinct voice. When combined, soft murmur often refers to a sound that is soothing, calming, and not intrusive. It's a sound that's present but not overwhelming. This phrase is frequently used to describe background noises like the rustling of leaves, the gentle babble of a brook, or even a quiet conversation in another room. To understand soft murmur better, let's see it in action. 1. I fell asleep to the soft murmur of the rain against the window. 2. In the library, there was a soft murmur of students discussing their projects. 3. The soft murmur of the wind through the trees had a calming effect. In these sentences, soft murmur adds a layer of sensory detail that enriches the description. Sometimes, soft murmur is used metaphorically. For example, the soft murmur of history could describe how historical events subtly influence the present. This metaphorical use adds poetic depth to language and can be quite powerful in literature and speech. And that's it for today's lesson on the phrase, soft murmur. We hope you now have a clearer understanding of this beautiful and descriptive term. Remember, language is not just about words, but the images and feelings they evoke. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.